Is going to be one of our fastest shows ever, maybe a 5-minute show because I've got investors
Yeah.
flying in right now for the bus tour. But
Yes.
before they get here, Wealth Principle 33, we're going to dive into it real quick. Build your business, sell your business, get rich. For everybody who's never been on the show before, this is Abundance Thursdays with myself, Gualter Morello, and the great Vinny Smile Chopra, all the way from the West Coast, but came from India, came to the country with $7, built up a portfolio over $1 billion worth of real estate. Vinny, welcome back, man.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. I look forward to this Thursday mornings, even though we are starting a little bit late because I got up at 5:30, 4:30, whatever, and then had meeting after meeting after meeting from 6 o'clock till 9:30. 3.5 hours of exciting people coming in my life. It's the abundance mindset show. And that is the real proof of when you start thinking bigger things in life and you want to attract great operators, great partners. Very hard to find the right partners, to be truthful. Very hard, honest, dependable, everything. But it's exciting to find some great people who have millions of dollars and billions of dollars, literally, and where there is money coming from other parts of the world into USA, being the stable community country and so forth like that. Anyway, so it's been a whirlwind trip for me this morning, a trip around the world actually, in just 3.5 hours.
I like this. So a lot of people talk about people taking money out of the country, but Vinny Chopra, you're committed to bringing money into the country. Hey, come invest in America, invest in here. One of the things that we talk about in this real estate business is we sell properties. One thing that
Yes.
we don't talk about often enough is that every property is a business. And this principle, Wealth Principle 33, build your business to sell your business to get rich. Vinny, you've done over 40, I believe it's more than
Yeah.
40 full cycle transactions. Can you explain to everybody what a full cycle is in real estate?
Yeah, the full cycle is when you find a great deal, a nugget out of 100, maybe 500, one might be able to underwrite it well. Sometime in good times, you can even underwrite 50 good deals in apartments, like I used to do, and get one. But then the key thing was to get the napkin listing where the seller is even just thinking about selling. And I taught the brokers, because I was a broker for 24 years myself, I could talk to them at their level. Hey, you don't have product, but I want off market deals. So every single deal I bought has been off market. And I bought them from LOI, letter of intent, to closing, 100% record. Because once you underwrite it well, and you have a business plan. That's what I want to talk about. Because you don't really think about business plan when you close on a deal and you get the keys. When you get the apartment or hotel or senior living, whatever it is, whatever you're buying, car wash, whatever it is, it's not when you take the keys, but you got to actually design the business plan before that to sell it, which is what our principle is. So it's not buying, but selling in 3 to 5 years, or maybe in a year, maybe in 2 years, but have a solid, unfaulted, pressure tested, sensitivity tested, everything test done. Then you buy the deal. So you make money at purchase and you money through cash flows with, like hotels I'm doing now, and senior livings. But the thing is, when you sell it, is a big payoff for the investors and everybody. But the business plan will make the exit much better. And you got to implement the business plan the day you take the keys, and show the investors in first 30 days what you have done, how the curb appeal is changed, how this is the staff at your property. Because investors are the gold. They are the gold. They will never fly to my, I think 19 investors out of my 582 investors, only 19 flew to other places in America to see the properties. But I brought it to them every investor meeting. Every month I do for 4 months. I used to do it, for every month, for 4 months. And then after that, every quarter. And I would bring the pictures and real pictures of CapEx and this and that and staff, so that they can feel and touch their asset because they are the owners.
It's interesting because I'm going to go back to, I love that you did that every month for 4 months and then you go quarterly because after 4 months, people don't care anymore. It's like, that's enough.
As
This is
long
too
as they
much.
keep on getting distributions, they're
Yeah.
happy.
The
They
money's
tell
flowing in. They're
other people, yeah.
they're no longer interested in all the details because you want to test the product. So going back, we build our businesses to sell our businesses to get rich. You said the business plan has to exist before you buy the business, before you buy the real estate. I have, I don't think ever outside of the syndication world, I don't think I've ever seen somebody say, here's what I'm going to sell the property. When the property hits these metrics, I'm going to sell it. And I was a realtor for 16 years. Almost everybody said, I'm just buying the property. I can't wait. I'm going to buy the property. I'm going to cash flow. I'm going to refinance. I'm going to hold it forever. You can't hold it forever. Nobody
Oh,
holds it forever. That's not how you make money.
no, see, the thing is, a lot of people say, I like legacy. I want to do this and that. But they forget that market cycles always go like this. So the property which we're going to buy over here, it's going to go in value. Some in 6, 7 years, it's going to go down.
Right.
Things are going to happen no matter what. It could be economically, could be area wise, gentrification, this, that, a lot of different factors. So it's better to sell it with more profit for the new buyer so that they will pay a good price for it and take that money from about near to the peak, take that all investors, give them money back, but take them into another deal of emerging market.
Starting at the bottom of the emerging market. It
That's
comes
what,
to, we're talking about that this weekend at the bus tours. Hey, here's what emerging markets look like. Here's what the tax
yes,
strategies are. When you do sell high like this, you get the tax strategies. Uh, Vinny, we're gonna jump off, but you just did something new. It was called investwithvinny.com. Can you tell me really quickly
yes,
what investwithvinny.com is?
yes. This is something, because what I found is my vinnychopra.com website is so huge,
There's
so
too
many
much.
different
There's too much
pages,
there.
too much. Nobody's got time to know who Vinny is.
Yeah.
Nobody's got the time nowadays. So what we have done is investwithvinny.com is one page. It tells them why they can save taxes, how they can save taxes, and then who is Vinny Chopra? Why to work with Vinny? Not somebody other syndicators and fund managers. So it's a very crisp and clean, and we capture, they are able to meet with me directly, not my assistant or anybody at all. They'll be able to have one-on-one strategy session with free, totally free, and they don't have to invest with me a penny, but they will be enriched as to what they're looking for and how they could save on taxes and grow their incomes.
It's fantastic. So, Vinny, we've got a pretty crazy week ahead of you. You're closing. You just closed on something today, I think. You just closed on a
No,
20
last
something
Thursday.
million
Last
hotel last
Thursday.
Thursday.
Last Thursday, brother, in Tampa, Florida, Home Two Suites, a Hilton brand, which was 87.5% occupied last 4 or 5 years when we looked at their P&L. And it's the really amazing holder, leader in that sector near Busch Garden, near Southern Florida University, right across the street. And then it has got hospitals, three big things which bring tourism up. And this is got the flagship out of 6, 7 hotels. This is the number one. My partner hotel is next to it for 5 years. So he had made a time, and I only, he said, whenever this hotel comes on sale, he's going to buy it. He told me that. Then he met with the sellers and we consummated the deal last Thursday. It appraised at 27.2 million. We bought it at 23.5 million. Oh my gosh. Right day
That's
one,
over
we made
$3 million profit on the day
3 million.
of close. But that's
Yeah,
not even the plan. The plan is improve this and sell this at a greater profit in three,
good.
5, 7 years from now.
Exactly. And the PIP, the property improvement plan, the product is so good. Even the appraiser and everybody and Hilton wanted us to only invest like 700, 800,000. That's it in this whole hotel for PIP money to do some carpet changes and this and that. That's it. We will not put any money into the deal, and it will go from 23.5 to 37 million, I think is the number. It's just mind blowing. I just can't tell you how great deals we are buying. And then my other deal over there in, we bought for 13 million, 194 units in Columbus, Ohio, which will be sold for 72 million.
Wow.
I mean,
Look at you,
and
Vinny.
we're
You're
putting,
right in my backyard. You're over here in Ohio doing
yeah,
Columbus. You're down in Florida doing Tampa. But you're doing it in the hotel space
hold on. I'm
where
doing
it makes
also
sense.
in Anaheim, my next hotel. I've got three more hotels coming. So I have partners now, five different ones, Patels and others and all, and they have started the business when they were 13 years of age in hotels, and 17 years and 21 years of age, and they are now in the 40s, late 30s, 40s, 50s. So
They still
they
got another couple of decades left in them to work for
hospitality
us.
in their blood, hospitality in their blood. And some of them are billionaires. And that's what I'm talking about. So Winnie is able to bring my investors into deals which are very well written with, uh, I never can say no risk. You can never say that. Real estate is
And on this
risk,
show, I got to say this is not investment advice, not
not
legal
at all.
advice, not tax
Not at all.
advice, and not
They're not
financial
CPA,
advice.
not at
It's
all.
just
No,
Abundance Thursdays. We're talking about abundance. We're talking about mindset. We're talking about
that's it.
positivity. But if you do
Totally.
want to learn more about Vinny's deals, you go to vinnychopra.com or now go to investwithvinny.com. And if you
Yes.
want to jump on a call with me and learn more about what we're doing, you call Kelly. I got this new bot. You just call Kelly. 774-228-7555. Give Kelly a call. Let her know what you're looking to accomplish. And it's possible maybe she'll book a call with me or she'll send me a message and we can build something for you. Vinny, I will see you next week. Abundance
Okay,
Thursdays
brother.
continues. I
Yes.
might see you Saturday. We'll dive a little deeper into this call. And for
We
everybody
will,
out
we will.
there,
I'm going to be there at your mastermind, your almost 100, great, great motivated investors every Saturday. So this is amazing and I love it. It inspires me, to be truthful. I learned from it so much. So I'm going to be joining also. Yes, yes.
for everybody who's at home, drop something in the comments. Say, Vinny, we love you. Cheers to your success. We have a choice. I was working with the best. Abundance Thursdays. We'll see you next week.
See
See you
you
on the
next
next one.
week, brother. Thank you
Cheers,
so
Vinny.
much.
Congratulations
Yeah,
on the closing, man.
thank you, brother.